Hello, in this video I will show you how to change language in Instagram in laptop or PC. So if you are working on the laptop, so you want to change Instagram language to English. So what you have to do is you need to go to the bottom left side and you will see there is a more option. You need to click on that, and after that you need to click on the settings, and after that you have to scroll down and you will see there is the language option. So you need to click on this language, and here you will see there your language which are supporting Instagrams. So here my default language is English, and if you want to change your language to Arabic, you need to click on that, and here language is changed to the Arabic. So if you want to go back to your English, you need to click on English UK, and here your account will be back on English. So if you think this video is supportive and helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.